Hello everyone, this is Team 22. We will be talking about solar chargers for medical devices. The team members are Mohamed Abdarbu, Fernanda Garibay, Ernesto Del Ángel, and Kenneth Oteng. Now, let's give some background information. The COVID-19 pandemic brought the necessity for a lot of people to be admitted in intensive care. The most widely used medical device was the ventilator. In this scenario, we're working with rural areas of India. According to the Union Health Ministry, there was a significant lack of ventilators because at least 5% of the population needed to use them, but the public sector only had less than 50%. The power supply for all these medical devices has reached the solar market because there's been an enormous increase in environmental concerns and growing awareness.
Now that we've explained some background, we can guide you through our main idea. In light of the many problems with power availability and infrastructure in many health centers in rural India, our team aims to design a low-cost solar charger using quantum dot solar cells, which are incredible technological advancements that are becoming more and more within reach, that will improve efficiency when charging medical devices, and will help provide an uninterrupted healthcare service in the affected areas of the country.
As we can see here, a ventilator is a machine designed to provide mechanical ventilation by moving breathable air into and out of the lungs to deliver breath to a patient who is physically unable to breathe or breathing insufficiently. Using solar panel systems as a steady stream of power from the sun, it can help to reduce carbon emissions, making good for the environment. With this technology, development, and low maintenance cost, this helped to operate the machines inside the hospitals. The specifications of quantum dot solar cells, which harvest energy from the sun, then store it at the lithium battery, then regulate it using from the battery using inverter, digital analog converter, then load it inside the equipment to operate it, such as here in ventilator device. Energy storage, rechargeable battery lithium ion, ensuring a 3 to 5 years lifespan. To supply any type of commercial ventilator and ensure the small portable ones are fully operative, we use 12-volt DC inverter and regulator that protects the battery and the device.
In order to land our idea into a more reachable state, our design will be constrained with the following points. Our solar chargers will of course be solar powered, they will have an appropriate size and weight to be portable, they will be highly efficient both in energy storage and supply, they must be cost effective so they can be affordable, their components will be fully compatible, and they'll have short charging times.
Talking about the specifications of our design. So the quantum dot solar cell model is going to harvest the energy from the sun. The lithium battery is going to use for energy storage. The regulator is going to ensure that our battery is working within an appropriate conditions. The inverter is going to convert the energy from a DC to AC, and the load, which in this case is going to be the ventilator, which our device is going to be power. Talking about our design, so quantum dot solar cell model, which is going to place in a sunlight, is going to harvest the energy from the sun. Then there will be a connection between the quantum dot solar cell models and a regulator, which then will from the regulator to the lithium battery, from the lithium battery to which helps to convert the energy from a DC to AC. This energy is then used to power the ventilator. The following diagram represents the block diagram of our work.
Considering that the solar cell modules will be individual with each charger, they are very low cost. The price for the rest of the components range from $15 to $25 in the current market, which would make the total cost no more than $60. To sum all of this up, we have provided a solution to the lack of power availability in the rural parts of India by creating an affordable quantum dot based solar charger with very long-term accessibility, high effectiveness, and portability.